session. So in previous session we have discussed comparisons: long, short, tall, short. See, when we compare things horizontally, then it is what comparison we will use? Yes, long, short. And if you want to compare things vertically, what is the comparison used? Tall, short. Okay. So if we compare things horizontally, that is long and short. If we compare things vertically, top to bottom, it is tall, short. Okay. So today children, we are going to learn the next comparison, which is big, bigger, biggest. What is the comparison we are discussing here? Big, bigger, biggest. You can see some pictures on board, right? See here. For example, I have taken three objects here. One is ball, duster and chalk. Right? Ball, duster, chalk. Right? I want to compare. Big means first object I am considering it as big. For example, okay, first object I am considering it as big. Obviously, next one is which is bigger than this chalk piece. If it is big, the next object we are going to compare will be bigger than the first object. See, the first one I have compared and I told this is big, and then this, when I compare this chalk piece with this duster, then it is called bigger. This comparison is bigger. Big, bigger. And the next size. If I compare this ball with this duster as well as with this chalk, what we will say? Chalk is big, duster is bigger. Duster is bigger than the chalk piece, and obviously ball will be biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Right? So there are the three comparisons: big, bigger, biggest. We are comparing things in big, bigger, biggest. So children, what are we comparing here? The size of object. The size of objects can be told as big, bigger, biggest. Let us see the first example. What is there in the first example? Ball. If I say first ball is big, the next second ball will be bigger than the first ball. See, here we are comparing first and second. So first one, if I take it as a big, the next comparison will be bigger. Big, bigger. Next size is bigger. So size of this second ball is bigger than the first one. If I complete the third one, first one is, I am saying the first ball is big, and obviously the second one become bigger than the first one. Third one will be biggest among these three. Okay. Here we are comparing all the three. This is the biggest one among these three. Biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Now let us go to the second Example, here you can see fruits and vegetable. Cherry, apple, pumpkin. Cherry, apple, pumpkin. If I consider the cherry is big, apple will be bigger than cherry. Apple is bigger than cherry. Obviously, pumpkin will be biggest among these three. Big, bigger, biggest. The size of this pumpkin is biggest among these three. Biggest. Now, will you give it a try? Here we have trees. Tree 1, tree 2, tree 3. For suppose, the first comparison is big. Good. Second one, big after what we will say? The second picture is bigger than the first one. Bigger. Third one, the third tree is biggest among these three trees. The third tree is biggest among these trees. Biggest. So, sizes, let us see. Big, bigger, biggest. Here, next, just give it a try, children. Ice creams. Here are ice creams. The first one, if I say, the first ice cream is big. Second one is, yes, second one is bigger than the first one. Bigger. And obviously third one will be biggest among these three. Biggest. So children, did you understand the concept of this big, bigger, biggest? So in the next session, so let me tell you one thing. Try to take some things which are there in your house. You try to compare. Put those in order. Put the things in order and try to compare those things. Okay? What do you have to compare? The size of the things in big, bigger, biggest. Whether it is big, bigger, biggest. Okay? Give it a try, children. I will be meeting you with the new topic in the next session. Till then, bye-bye.